Hi horse lovers, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you some clips of the horses playing in the pasture when I let them out, and they're just super fun to watch, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, so it's been a little muddy this fall, which is really unfortunate, as you can see the paddock, but it's dried up in the pasture, so I'm going to let them out there so they can get a little more movement and graze for a little while, so it'll be fun. So I have this pasture or paddock right now with these horses in it. They're just all kind of hanging out. And then I'm going to move these guys, the ponies, and Jafar into here. And then I'm going to open, it's kind of at Arlo, but that gate right there. And then they're all probably going to run out and go crazy. Right, guys? So yeah, right by the gate, it's like kind of muddy, but then it's just, this is where there's a lot of traffic, but it's not so bad there. Like, I've never had a fall be this wet. Like, I cannot deal with it. So we're gonna go in the pasture soon. Koa, this is Koa. Come here. Yeah, you good boy. You like letting the horses out in the pasture, huh? You good boy. Go, go. Hi, Cruella. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? She is just the most affectionate little sweetheart. Just love you. You got your ball? Okay, I'll kick it. So this I got like literally 4 years ago. It's supposed to be for the horses. Never was, so it's all Koa's. All right, ready? Oops, sorry. Cruella, are you the cutest pony? Are you the cutest girl? You're the greatest pony ever. You're so cute. The bestest, I know it. She is so sweet. Aren't you? Say hi to YouTube. I know. All right, we'll go out soon, okay? All right. Okay, so everyone's eating right now. And I'm gonna turn them out to the pasture, right? And then I have Cruella, Olaf, and Arlo eating outside today, so I kind of rotate who comes to eat in the stalls, who eats outside. Only thing with that is they have to have similar proportions. All of these guys get the same amount, so it works. All right, everyone's in the paddock, so I'm gonna go open the gate to the pasture for a few hours. Koa likes to let them out. You ready? We're gonna let the horses out. Let's go. We gonna let the horses out? Why are you so crazy? Are you crazy? I think you are. Where are you going? Come on. You are a wacko. Go. Go. Come on, Koa. Oh boy. What are you doing? All right, fine, I'll kick it. It's not gonna be a good one. Arlo, you ready? Ready to go out? You're ready to open the gate. So I'm getting ready to open the gate so they all get excited. You ready to go out in the pasture? You guys ready to go out? Yay, pasture time! Pongo, you love it! All right, guys. Open this. This is really hard to do with one hand. And then I need to... You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Go, ponies, go! Oh. Go on, Pascal. right, so they want to roll right now. Probably all itchy. That's Pascal rolling. Happy? Guys, happy to be out? Yes, get good rolls in. Wessel, you getting a good itch there? Jiminy, you too? All right. All right, it's time for the shenanigans. Get out of there. You know you're not allowed in there when they're running. Get out. Come on, come by me. Good boy. Koa, get out. They are having fun. Here's MEEKO, Jafar, and Gaston. OLAF, WESELTON. There's Jafar again. Olaf's leading, and then Arlo's right next to him. Jafar, are you crazy? They are having so much fun. There's Arlo in the lead. Gaston's getting on him. Wessel, you need to go faster. You need to go quicker. What you doing, Arlo? Hi. Koa, stop. Thinks he's fancy over here. You feel good? Happy you're on the grass? What do you think, Jafar? Huh? What you guys thinking? My favorite thing is to just watch them be horses and play. What you doing? Jafar, huh? What you doing? Lovely having a gray horse here. You're pretty, Arlo, but you're a mess. You're so dirty. You're such a good boy. Have fun. So these are our bale barns. This one doesn't have any hay in it, but they're really awesome because it shelters the round bales, and usually they have a net, so it helps with like slow feed. Really like them. But my horses always have 24/7 hay. It's a mix of alfalfa and grass, and then they go on pasture when they can. So yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just watching the horses have fun and a little bit of the daily life of being an equestrian. So if you want to see more horse stuff, please hit that subscribe button, guys. I'd really appreciate it. Bye, horse lovers.